build a branded Shopify dropshipping business, follow these steps. Choose a niche. Select a niche market with high demand and low competition. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable products. Create a brand identity. Develop a unique brand identity, including a memorable name, logo, and brand colors that resonate with your target audience. Set up your Shopify store. Sign up for a Shopify account and customize your store's design using a professional team. Optimize your store for conversions by creating high-quality product pages and an intuitive navigation structure. Source products. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen products using platforms like Oberlo or AliExpress. Focus on building relationships with suppliers who offer quality products and reliable shipping. Brand your products. Customize your products with your branding elements, such as packaging inserts, branded stickers, or custom packaging, to differentiate yourself from competitors. Market your store. Implement a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Utilize social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and search engine optimization to attract potential customers. Provide excellent customer service. Offer exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns, and provide a seamless shopping experience. Scale your business. Continuously analyze your store's performance, test different marketing strategies, and optimize your processes to scale your Shopify dropshipping business successfully. Regularly evaluate your product offerings and adapt to market trends to stay competitive.